friends, GatorMom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're talking all about the Lululemon belt bags. All right, so I have had this standard, what is it called? The Everywhere belt bag, the one that I think everybody in the entire world has. I've had this one here for quite a while. It has never been my favorite sling bag or belt bag, but it was always one that I tended to kind of grab for. So I had it in my collection for a long time. I actually should have grabbed it. It's upstairs in my office, but it is white. It is an all white Everywhere belt bag, and it's pretty dirty. Like, it shows the dirt. I've really worn it a lot, and it doesn't wear the best in the white color. But I've never really reviewed it. I've had it featured in some of my videos where I might have like a big bag packed and then I have this like inside of it, like a smaller grab and go type thing, but I've never actually dedicated a full video on it. So I thought today I would not only talk about the Everywhere belt bag, but I would also compare it to, mainly because I was curious, the mini belt bag and the, I think newer, I don't know how new it is, but the Everywhere belt bag in the large size. So we have the large, we have the standard Everywhere belt bag, and the mini one. Small, medium, and large, we're gonna compare all of them. All right, so right off of the bat, when Lululemon recently launched some newer colors, I guess for spring, they haven't had them in a while. So when they launched them, I knew I wanted this wild berry color like right away because I loved it. So I ordered this one. I ordered this large belt bag in the black color. And then I also ordered this mini belt bag just to kind of compare it to the other ones. Well, this was the only one that came in my order. The wild berry bag as well as this one were both canceled. So I was like, well, that's kind of a bummer because this is the one I was like least interested in, like really only bought it to kind of compare it to the other ones. So then they released them again, and I don't even know if they're still available right now. I'll of course link them if they are, but they released them again. This color here came back available, as well as this really pretty like emerald green color. So I grabbed both of them, thinking that one of them, if not both of them, were going to be canceled, but I got both of them. So here we are. And then I decided to get this one in the gray color. Kind of is like looking bluish in here, but it's a pretty true like muted gray. But I got it and it wasn't canceled, so that's fun. Okay, so let's talk about what I do love about the Lululemon belt bag. I like that it is comfortable. It is wipeable, although like I said earlier, I wouldn't recommend a super light color in it, just if you're gonna really use it. I like that the strap is really adjustable. It's easy to put on, and I feel like it's very casual. Like, it kind of goes with everything. You can throw it on with athletic type wear. You can put it on with like a sweater and be good to go. It's just really kind of versatile in that way. Is this my favorite belt bag? No, it's not. I have others that I would prefer over it, but the main reason is this one was always just a little bit too small for me. So I know 100% I'm not gonna like this one. Again, like I said, I only got it to compare. I did it for you guys. No, but this here is, I like the way that it opens. It does open very wide, but I'm a big bag person, and this was never enough for me. So I'm interested and I'm hopeful that this one is gonna be like the perfect size. It seems like it is exactly the same as this one, only larger. And then the mini one is exactly the same, minus this back zipper pocket situation, but the inside opens up pretty similar as well. So they are, oh, there is actually a little pocket. I'll show you these up close here in a second, but there's like a little pocket back here in the back. So I think these smaller ones might end up going back, but I think this one's gonna stay in my collection because I'm hopeful with the size of this. I think it's gonna be awesome. All right, I wanna put the camera down and I wanna pack these same items in each one of these bags and talk about them and show them a little bit more in detail so that we can really see capacity-wise how the three of them compare. I also want to go ahead and put them on for you as best as I can in here so that you can see what they look like on the body. I have not adjusted any of them yet, so I might have to play with them here for a minute. But I am 5 foot nothing for size reference. I'm super short, but I really do feel like they adjust really well. So let me adjust them and kind of put them on for you. All right, I moved the camera down just a bit so you can hopefully see it a little bit better. This is the larger size, adjusted, obviously. This is about where I would wear it. It's kind of hard because it's unpacked, so it's not heavy or anything, but this is like how this size would look on. Good Lord, I'm like working up a sweat adjusting these. All right, so here we are with the wild berry color in the regular size. A good bit smaller than the other one. I think this, like I said, it's gonna be a really nice size. You can kind of see this one is quite a bit larger than this one, but I really, really like this color. So I think it would actually wear really well too. I don't think it's gonna show a lot of dirt and whatnot, so I might end up keeping it. But for size reference, there you go. Last but not least, I'm not even gonna try it on because I know this one is going back, but I wanted to kind of show you comparison wise. It actually doesn't look that much smaller than the kind of medium size or the everywhere bag here, but it is. It's a good bit smaller, but just for size reference, there you go. All right, let's put the camera down and pack these up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start with the medium size, the everywhere belt bag. I was gonna start kind of from the bottom, work my way up, but this one is kind of like the most popular or versatile one, I guess you could say. There's no outside pockets in the front. There is the little Lululemon logo. I have the wrapper on it just because I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it or not. And then you have the little Lululemon tag down here. On the back of the bag, you do have one zipper pocket with this kind of roped, has like a little rubber end to it. On the zipper, I don't have anything in there right now. I usually don't put anything in it, to be honest. It usually kind of catches receipts and stuff like that. So nothing is in that back pocket. I could easily put a couple things in there if I wanted to. But opening up the main part of the bag here, you just have one zipper, and it's a nice smooth zipper. Opens up nice and wide, like all the way down on the side, as I showed you guys earlier. And this is typically how I would pack it up. This is bare minimum of what I would carry around. You have one big mesh pocket in the back, the Lululemon logo, and then you have two mesh pockets here in the front, and that's it. Like, there's not a whole lot of bells and whistles to this belt bag. So in the center here, I just have my O-Venture key ring. Now I could easily take this off, yes. But attached to it, I do have a handful of hair ties as well as my car keys. So that's right there in the middle. It works fine. I'm gonna keep this stuff actually right here so I can put the same exact stuff back in. Then I have my hand cream that I have all the time. And then I have my Ondar Denner wallet. This is the best wallet to put in small bags. It's like super compact. You have a spot here for your ID. This part here kind of lifts up to release more cards. And then you also have more card slots here. So it's a great little like on the go wallet. It also comes with this leather wristlet strap that you can attach to it. So that is just kind of in the center there. Now I did not put my phone in here because 9 times out of 10, I just don't put my phone in my bags. I don't know why. If I need to, I can easily put it inside this bag. So just for reference, if you wanna kind of slip a wallet in one of these pockets and you want to make sure that you have a place for your wallet, maybe you're wearing leggings that don't have a pocket or something like that, this size will fit. This is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So it is the bigger one. So it fits in there, no problem. Back here in this back mesh pocket, I just have some eye drops. I have some little medicine, Advil, Excedrin. I also have a granola bar tucked down in there and a nail file, and I think that's it. That's it for that pocket. Over here in these two mesh pockets, I just have my Touchland hand sanitizer. Fits perfectly inside there, no problem. And then I also have 2 lip products, just a lip gloss and my Clinique lip repair that I love, and then strawberry Altoids. All that fits in there, perfect. So this here is what the bag looks like on the inside, completely empty. Like I said, it opens up really, really wide. You can fit way more in it than you think you can. Moving that one out of the way, we're gonna work our way into the mini belt bag, which, like I mentioned earlier, is not my favorite. And the only reason really is that it's just too small for me. So this would be perfect if you don't have a lot and if you're going on a hike or something and you literally just want it to hold like 1 or 2 things. I can see a purpose for it. I really can. On the back here, there is one open pocket. Doesn't have a zipper or anything. This may fit my phone. I don't know. No, it will not. It won't fit my phone. But if you have a smaller phone, that would be a pretty good pocket for it. On the main part of the bag though, it will fit my phone for size reference. So that's pretty cool. I mean, there's a little bit of even room in there with it. So phone fits in there great. Let's put this to the side though and pack up as much of the stuff that I had in that other one as I can here. I don't know about my O Venture key ring. It's just gonna kind of bulk it up. I don't know, maybe it's gonna make a liar out of me. No mesh pockets on this one here on this side, but you do have one pocket here in the back. Stick my nail file down in there. Actually, we're gonna leave that out because that's not a necessity. My hand sanitizer though typically is, and that's just not really gonna go in there that well in that back pocket, but let's see if we can kind of move this around and put it in the center. I mean, it goes, again, it's just not, it's smaller, so it's not gonna fit quite like the other one. Have some medicine, my eye drops, some lip products back there. My hand cream that's just not gonna happen. Maybe a granola bar? I mean, no, that's not gonna happen either. I think the issue is the hand sanitizer, honestly. I don't think I could even zip that. So if you wanna take that out and take the ring out, you're not left with much here. It's just too small, but you guys get the idea. All right, moving on to what I think is gonna be one of my new favorite belt bags. This is the large one. I believe it's called the 2L on the website. It just says everywhere belt bag large on the tag here, but same little emblem down here at the bottom, and then on the back of the bag here, you do have a zip pocket, which I think would hold my phone perfectly. Again, I would probably not use this pocket for anything except for receipts and things like that, but I think it would be a good option. Oh, it's gonna make a liar out of me. It fits, but I wouldn't put it in here all the time because look, I gotta really shimmy it in there and that's just not comfortable. So it will go though, especially if you have a smaller phone. So we're not gonna pack anything in there. Let's pack up the middle here. This one, a difference I'm seeing right off the bat, you have a double zipper pull. So you have 2 zippers, whereas on that medium size one, the standard 1L, you only have 1 zipper. So that's kind of cool because you can kind of keep them attached here at the top and open it up more easily if you have it on the body. Wearing it, this one doesn't open up quite as large as that other one because there's gussets here on the side. Probably because it's a larger bag, so you don't want all of your stuff falling out. But yeah, it doesn't open up quite as large. Let's pack it up. Okay. Wallet here in the middle, gonna have no problem, I can already tell, with all of this. Hand sanitizer. We also have, what else do we have over here? The Altoids. There's just a lot of room. There really is. This is gonna be a great bag. I can already tell. Hand cream. I mean, look, there's tons of room in here. This back kind of pocket. Throw that in there. Medicine, eye drops, granola bar. Let's throw in a chicken stick. I mean, look at that. This is awesome. I really like this. Some gum. What else can I put in here? I mean, what do I have over here? Some wet ones. Ooh, I bet that'll fit really well in that back pocket. That'd be awesome. Yep. Perfect. Yeah, this is a keeper. This is a winner. I really like it, especially because you can zip it up. I can take the tag off. I know I'm gonna keep it, but all the way here. And keep them there. Love that. Yes. This is This is a good one. I really like it. This is a perfect size. I'm curious, what do you guys think? Are you on board with the smaller ones? Are you more of a minimalistic packer than me? This one's gonna stay in my collection for sure. I like it. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful kind of comparing the 3 different sizes of the Lululemon belt bag. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I'm always happy to help. Until my next video, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.